Little shirt. Hi, Mom. Well, guess what? We have a little hiccuping Charlotte.
Yep.
Make a little hiccup, sweetie. Ooh, a little squeaker. She's almost ready to eat here. We're just about ready to feed, and we got a new room. This private room. A private room here. Yeah, look at that. Nice TV. Look at this TV. And then here we go in a courtyard. And she's hiccuping more. Oh, she's got a bit of a scowl. Oh,
She looks like her daddy.
a little more squeaking.
But she does, however, and Pat, have her mommy's long monkey toes. Those are my feet.
Yes,
Genetically, everything else and appearance-wise is from Ryan, except for the feet.
Yeah.
Poor thing. Come, you got mom's monkey toes. I was really hoping that wouldn't happen. Yeah.
What a sweetie. Squeaking. Well, that's it for now, because she's going to want to feed, so...
No, we're not doing video of that.
Nope. And that's the breast pump. That's industrial. Look at that. That thing is badass. Look at that. It's got a little motor, too.
Right.
Okay, signing off. See you later.